Welcome back friends to the YouTube channel TECHNTRAINER. Today I am going to telling about how to install ADDS on your Windows Servers 2004. So let's start the video. Firstly click on Server Manager, then click on Add Roles. After that click on Next. From computer properties you can check the computer name and also as well as firstly set the IP. After that click on Next, then select ADDS, that is Active Directory Domain Services, and tick the DNS server also. Add feature, then continue, then click on Next. Then again click on Next, then install. After that it takes some time to install the ADDS. After finishing, click on close, then click on up arrow and promote the servers to a domain controller. After that click on add a new forest, third option, then provide a root domain name. It consists .in .com according to yours. I'm providing techieupdates.in. Then click on next. .in is compulsory, or .com or then click on next. Now provide a complex password which must be strong. And confirm the password. Both password will be same. And click on next. Then again click on next. Then here the NetBIOS name is will same according to yours that is provided at the time of root domain. Then click on next. After that there's a 3 types of folder. Then click on next. Then here we'll check the prerequisite check by the system. After checking it shows all things are right, then click on install. Here the system will check the all prerequisite is necessary for install the ADDS. Here it's so right, it's a green color, then click on install. It will also take some times to promote the server. Go to the properties. You can check also, as I said in the start of the video, you can check the computer name is not comes in the in that environment. It's work in work group. After this, after once reboot, it comes in domain environment, in which a work group convert in the techieupdates.in, as I provide in the promote this server. As I already told you, after completion it automatically restart. You can also restart after completion, but it automatically restart, so wait, and the system is automatically restart. It will also take some times to come to the domain environment. Please wait, don't reboot and don't plug out your system. After reboot, it will show, so please wait, and applying all the group policies and other policies required to comes in domains environment, so it will take some time. After applying all the securities policies, press Ctrl or Delete to sign in. So please press Ctrl or Delete and provide your password as the time of promoting your domain system in your from work group to domain. So provide password and login. After that, click on server manager to check it, or you can check it from computer properties. The system will show the computer name is techupdates.in, where that means your system comes in your domain environment. You can check from right click on this PC, then you can check the full computer names updated by the name of computer name .techupdates.in, and you can check also from click on server manager. Then click on local server. After refreshing, and check the work group sums in techie.upsync.